name is Memphis F. the Fifth. I'm a product manager at McCrometer Incorporated. We will be showing you a key difference in our newly designed battery pack for the Dura Mag converter as well as the McMag3000. So as a caveat, I wanted to be clear, if you need detailed instructions on this, please utilize our installation manual for your batteries or our previous YouTube video explaining this topic. A link will be provided. So here we have our converter used on the McMag3000 and our Dura Mag meter. This is already disassembled. So after you unscrew your bolts and get into your converter, for many of our customers, you'll notice the older battery pack. So it is a double pack and a single pack as a backup. So we'll be showing you how we're replacing with the new design our triple pack battery with the AA as a backup. Now the reason for the redesign of this was to extend the battery life, which allowed us to, of course, extend our warranty. A much longer battery life and warranty, 5 years, is what we're guaranteeing to our customers, and that was made possible through expanding the battery pack. It will also help prevent you getting a low battery alarm prior to the need of actually switching out your battery. So we'll do the quick switch. Lucky for many of our customers, is the wiring is identical. What throws people off is the fact that you have this extra piece. But I'll show you how that's tackled real quickly. So removing your previous battery, your main pack goes into the same footprint as previously. As this is your primary battery, it will be plugged into the B2 port, or notched as switch 1. Now here comes the confusion. What do I do with this backup battery pack? As clear, unlike this, there's no space. Within your kit, you'll get a little Velcro pack already attached here. So for your backup battery, feel free to Velcro it to the side. There's plenty of clearance for the wire. And then that plugs into the same port that your previous single pack went to. So that's your second, that's your B1 port, or dip switch 2. So now everything's hooked back in. You can see that's where your backup goes. You can then screw on your hinge, and just to show you that it's working. And you can see, you plug it in, follow the instructions to properly resetting the converter. Your switch, it'll read in any information needed from your meter specifically, and then you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Again, the largest piece of ambiguity was that backup battery. As you can see, fits nicely on the side. If there are any questions, any confusion, please utilize our installation manual and reference the videos we have for you today. For more information, please feel free to contact our factory directly or visit www.mccrometer.com.